How do people earn up to 40,000 rupees by selling an AU Bank offer? In this video, we will discuss point to point about the advantages and important points that you need to know start earning by selling AU Bank savings account. Please watch the video until the end to understand all the nuances of selling this bank's product. Why do people choose to open AU Bank savings account? The first reason is safety. Here, if tomorrow you open your zero balance savings account in AU Small Finance Bank, first you will be welcomed by AU Small Finance Bank. It is written in large letters at the bottom of the welcome kit. In short, by DICGC. Now, what is DICGC? DICGC is the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation, which is the subsidiary body of RBI. DICGC is the Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation. This means Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation insures every bank. It provides insurance up to rupees 5 lakh. Hypothetically speaking, let's assume that tomorrow I open a zero balance savings account in AU Small Finance Bank and hypothetically I deposited rupees 5 lakhs in my savings account. For the sake of this hypothetical scenario, let's assume I go to AU Small Finance Bank. In this case, my rupees 5 lakh will not be at risk because AU Small Finance Bank is covered by DICGC, which provides insurance up to rupees 5 lakhs. Now coming to the second point, that is unlimited number of transactions per month. Receive a debit card for every more convenience. When it comes to using the debit cards, here's the breakdown. Withdrawing cash from the AU Small Finance Bank's ATMs allows for unlimited monthly transactions. However, if you opt to withdraw cash from ATMs of other banks, you will get 5 free transactions per month. Beyond that, each additional transaction incurs a fee of rupees 20. The AU virtual card comes with a lifetime of free transactions, while the AU physical card has charges amounting of rupees 177. Also, AU Bank does not have charges for UPI, NEFT, RTGS, IMPS transactions. Besides this, you can invest money in any government scheme such as Sukyan PPF or any government scheme. Or you can invest your money in a mutual fund. In addition to these, if you want to take health insurance online or life insurance, you will find numerous options with AU Small Finance Bank's mobile application. Now coming to the third point, your customer can open a zero balance account. This option is available only for the customers who choose a minimal range of salary. If a customer chooses any other option, the bank might ask to deposit 5,000 rupees and more after the opening of account process. Now coming to the fourth point, that is the interest rate. The interest rate is better than in other banks. AU Bank provides from 3.5% to 7.25% as saving interest rates. If you look at the interest rates of the other banks, for example, ICICI Bank, a leading private bank, offers 3% rate on savings account. However, AU Small Finance Bank's 3.5% interest rate on current office savings accounts is a very good rate of interest. Let's check the range of rates and how much you need to deposit to get it. Up to 1 lakh is 3.50%, 1 to 10 lakhs is 5%, 10 to 25 lakhs is 7%, 25 to 1 crore is 7%, and 1 crore to 5 crore is 7.25%. In addition, if you open a 1-year fixed deposit with AU Small Finance Bank, you will be offered a 6.5% interest rates. The rates are for 365 days, 6.75%, for 366 days, 7.75%, for 2 years, 7.5%, for 2 years plus 1 day, 8%. AU Bank aims to provide competitive FD rates, ensuring your money grows steadily. Great. Now we know all the benefits of opening an account, but you should know all the nuances. First, as you mentioned previously, the bank allows users who mention a minimum salary to open a zero balance account only. If a user chooses any other range of salary, the bank might ask to deposit some money. Second, full name must include a surname. There is no option to open an account by using one name. Third, mobile number must be linked with Aadhaar, otherwise the bank will not allow to open an account. Fourth, a user has to have a PAN card and an Aadhaar card. Fifth, the number operates in the biggest tier 1-3 cities. You should check if this bank is available in your location by clicking on the PIN code check button in the offer. Click on the button, put a PIN code and check it. If it's available in the customer area, you can share the offer with the customer. 6. The campaign works on the first click attribution model. This nuisance is the most important to understand. So let's get started. To understand how attribution works, you need to understand its components. There are 3 main parts: the device, the browser, and the website. Let's exclude the obvious case right away. First click attribution means that the bank pays for the customer who first brought them to the site. If a user visits the site and starts the account opening process but doesn't complete it, and their phone is already in the bank's database, no payment will be made for them. We won't even see such a user in the report because they will already be attributed to the first channel through which the user initially visited the site. What if the user didn't start the account opening process? How will the bank know that the user came from another channel? It's simple. When a user visits the bank site for the first time, the bank site marks the user with a special cookie. This cookie is placed in the browser and stores information about the user's visits to the bank's pages. If you bring the same user to the bank later on and they do open an account, no payment will be made for them because the user has already been on the bank's website and the payment will be attributed to the first channel. To avoid losing accounts, it's essential to follow some important rules. First, ask the customer to enter through your affiliate link only. If the user initially enters through a direct link to the bank and then through yours, they will be attributed to the direct entry and no payment will be made. Second, do not open accounts from your own device. The bank remembers your IP and device information. If you open accounts from your phone, they may be attributed to organic traffic. You can double check the device ID and IP in our report exports. Third, if you see that an account is opened but the status in the application is declined, it means the user was already in the bank's database. Such cases account for about 5 to 6% in total.
Great. Now we know all the nuisances how to open an account. Let's know the process how to apply for AU Bank Zero Balance Savings Account. Open your Cashly app and navigate to the offers section. Select for AU Bank Savings Account, copy the link or share it to user via WhatsApp or SMS. Click on the link and fill basic details either provided by the customer or yourself.
After filling in the basic details, you will be directed to the AU Bank website. Punch in the Aadhaar linked phone number, no additional code is required. Submit the OTP received on your mobile to verify the linked mobile number. Enter your PAN number and confirm details. Input your Aadhaar card number and click on the terms and conditions box. Obtain Aadhaar OTP, submit it to proceed. Personal information will be picked automatically from Aadhaar details. Add any additional basic information and provide your email ID. Enter details for father, mother and spouse. Choose whether to add a nominee. If yes, add details. Your address will be picked by default from Aadhaar details. Specify your occupation and job designation. Remember, it must be a high position. Confirm if your income is less than 2.5 lakh. Click on terms and condition and submit the application. Cross-verify all entered details for accuracy. Scroll down and select the account type as zero balance. Initiate the video KYC process by following the on-screen instructions. Be ready with your original PAN card, white paper, and a pen in a well-lit room. No talking or background noise from another person during the VKYC process. Your account will be activated within 24 hours. Download the AU Bank app from the Play Store and log in. Within a week, your account kit will be delivered to the address provided during the application process along with the debit card and a checkbook.